Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the last week of December into the new year in this wonderful weekly layout. Lately, I have been experiencing a lot of lag using GoodNotes. Please let me know in the comments if you also have been seeing some lag with your stickers loading and things like that. It has actually made me think to use NoteShelf, but when I did try to use NoteShelf for this video, it just didn't work out for me. So anyways, before we get into this video, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel for so much more, and remember to hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. Let's get right into this video. Today I'm going to be planning in my brand new 2021 planner called Create Kingdom Plans. I'm going to be using a lot of different stickers, including some freebies from Jay's Plans. She also has a YouTube channel that you can check out. I'm also using stickers from Nevermind, the Nevermind shop, which I will link down below, as well as Jay Plans shop. I will link down below. And I'm also using some freebies that I found here and there. So I don't actually have those links, but if I do find them, I will link them down below. This week is extremely special to me because it is my anniversary week and it is also going to be the new year coming in. So we have two amazing things this week to celebrate, and this will be my second year anniversary being married to my wonderfully amazing husband, and I cannot wait to get this party started. So these are the themed stickers that I'm using. This kind of like dusty rose pink color, and these stickers came just in time, and I'm so in love with the day stickers because they have a little circle at the side where you can just check it off when you've done everything for that day. Absolutely love these stickers from Jay's Plans. As I usually do, I'm going to take the time to place all my stickers in the right place that I want them to be, and wherever I feel like it looks better, and also where I need them to be to write in later on. For this layout, I am also using these super cute balloons that are from Squirrel Studio Prints. So if you want to check her out, she's super sweet and she has a wonderful selection of planners and stickers. So I will also link her shop down below. I found these absolutely gorgeous little stickers from Victoria Thatcher. This is a freebie and I believe it's in one of her Google Drives. So I will link her website once again down below. And I just love this one because it's perfect for right now, how we're all working from home and working at our desk. So I just had to add this into this weekly. So I showed you guys this tip from last week, so I just want to show you again. Sometimes you want to have a blank background. Like for example, there's no way I'm waking up at 5 a.m. on the weekend. So I'm just going to take a little screenshot and copy that and paste a white square, the same color that I have, and just stretch out that box to cover over those times because I'm not waking up at 5 a.m. on the 2nd of January. And now that that's done, I can put up my weekend sticker right on top of that blank space. Perfect. So this is the freebie from Squirrel Studio Print, and you can see they're super, super cute. Absolutely love these stickers as well. So here's a super quick tip. Sometimes you want to add double of the stickers because they're just so freaking cute, but they're facing in the same direction. So make sure you rotate them, and I'll show you right here. I'm gonna paste the sticker and rotate it, and now it's facing in a different direction. Now this might not work for all the stickers, but for this sticker, it did, and I'm super, super happy about it. Since this week for me is all about love, I'm going to fill this up with hearts. And I'm super excited because these are little stickers that I created using Procreate, and I'm just going to crop it and use them as my date stickers for the week. So once again, I'm using that same tip just to take a screenshot and copy a little square, the same color, and I would like to block out those lines that I have there. So that's what that's going to be doing for me. That way I can put my hearts on perfectly. So this week I wanted to do something a little bit different, and using this cute sticker that I got from Jay's Plans, I'm going to be doing something called Word of the Day. So I'm going to use one word to describe that day for the week, and I know it's going to be absolutely amazing, and it'll be a fun way to keep track of each day. And so now I'm going to fill in everything I needed to fill in and write everything in that I needed to write in. I have to say I'm absolutely loving this sticker kit from Jay's Plans, the super cute freebie. And it's so funny because this actually matches my devotional. Each week I ask the people who are reading the devotional to rate their heart, whether they're feeling good or whether they're feeling kind of bad, so. And so for the week, I'm going to be doing my own heart rating using this little tracker here. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much again for watching. I just have to tell you, I'm enjoying all the sweet comments that you guys are leaving me in my videos. It really warms my heart and makes me feel so much joy. Thank you so much for watching my videos, you guys. I really appreciate it, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. Please remember to subscribe to my channel for so much more like this video, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.